So it's 10 to 6 in the morning. We're going to go on a bit of a road trip. We're going down and getting a new project. 5.5 hour drive. Go check something out and yeah, and then hopefully bring it back. We're three hours in and just stopped at Thai Happy and had a bit of a breakfast. Yeah, now just getting off a bit further down. Another couple of hours to go. Right, just a bit of a stop in a place called Woodville to get a drink, the old LMP, and we're off again. Well, it's been a long day to go and get this, so we'll have a closer look tomorrow. So I've just bought my first project. I've never done a mechanical project at all. I think of myself as mechanically minded, but we'll see how this goes. I'm hoping to, I guess I'd call it a resto mod. I wouldn't call it a restoration because I'm not going to go back to complete original. But I'm going to make this thing hopefully pretty cool looking, as well as fix up any mechanical issues that it may have. We'll strip it all down and yeah, go bit by bit and see what we need to do. Yeah, got a bit of a plan, but yeah, never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Now the big question is, can anyone identify what this motorcycle is? It's obviously a Yamaha. It's from the 80s, but has anyone got any idea what it is? If you do, chuck it down in the comments below, and do remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll get this rebuild underway. And most importantly, it runs.